I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling low-cost essentials. 1 egg, small amounts of flour, sugar, cocoa, and 20 g butter or oil. Measure roughly with spoons if no scale. Why? Because proportions create structure and molten center. Once done, melt the butter or oil quickly in a cup. Make sure it's warm, not boiling, to preserve texture. Mix sugar and cocoa into the fat to bloom flavor, then add egg and flour. This quick mix forms the batter that will puff but stay gooey inside. You now combine and portion the batter. Whisk egg and warm fat until homogeneous and a bit frothy. This traps air for rise. Then fold in sugar, cocoa, and flour gently. Mix just until no streaks. Why? Overmixing adds gluten and firms the center. Once done, pour into a single microwave-safe cup or 2 small molds, leaving roughly 1/3 free space so the cake can rise without spilling. Make sure the surface is smooth. This helps even. You finish by cooking and serving. Microwave at half power for 60 to 90 seconds depending on your wattage. Check early. Your cake is ready when the top is set but center still jiggles slightly, which guarantees a lava core. Once done, let it rest 1 minute, then invert onto a plate or spoon out the gooey center. If it turns rubbery, reduce time next round. If it's undercooked, give 10 to 15-second bursts. This quick testing method locks in perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.